Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is special day, Mother's Day, and look at this is Aike.cooking from my country. It's special flower, and Mother's Day is everything about flowers, and this channel everything about sourdough. And 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! I'm so happy to tell you guys this is tutorial to show you how to do these precious sourdough roses. Look at this dress is beautiful and these flowers are beautiful as well. Happy Mother's Day. It doesn't matter, it could be birthdays, it could be Mother's Day, it is just normal day, and make happy someone you love. Mwah. So one of the main key of good successful recipe is not to forget our ingredients. And my suggestion, before doing our dough, prepare all of our ingredients. For the main dough, I'm using this Stiff Levain, and as you see, it's tripled in size. Look at, it's really active. Look at how it's beautiful. To have a really good rice, it's important also to have an active, healthy sourdough. In our case, Stiff Levain, which prepared just before going to sleep. Now it's morning, and we're gonna do our main dough. Let's get started. Flour, salt, sugar. Mix everything, okay, and put your liquid. Milk, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, and all our Stiff Levain. I already mentioned that it was prepared just before going to sleep. Before using it, it's tripled in size. In this stage, I like to start with my hands. Look at. First, what I do, I'm trying make one homogeneous consistency with liquid and the Stiff Levain. Okay, and then it's like kind of mixed well. I just mix all of rest of the flour like this. Here, our goal, make sure that we have clean surface inside. I mean, no dry flour. Always try to clean the sides. Yeah, like this. Of course, if you have some stand mixer, just do it. But me, I just changing the from Chile to US. It's not the same system of electric volts, and I had to leave my stand mixer, and now I'm working with my hands. No flour, yeah? It's important to prepare everything, because look at guys, my hands is dirty, and if my ingredients won't be ready in first place, it will be not convenient. Look at, I'm taking my butter, because butter I'm putting in the end. If my hands is dirty, doesn't matter. I just put everything. It was in room temperature and it's soft. Look at. And let's start to work with our butter. Here I see that butter is well incorporated inside of the dough, but it's not ready. If you don't want to deal with dough really hard, just cover it and wait for 30 minutes and you come back and you're gonna do really less kneading. But me, I want to work with the dough, and I want to show to the people who wants to finish right away. Look at here, I'm putting working place, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna work like this. Look at. You don't have to do it. Sometimes you don't have time to wait, you just want to finish your stuff and you just do it. It's reason number one, like common reason. But there's second reason, you just want to slap someone like this, but you cannot. But you can slap your dough, you know? Like, no, but I don't want to slap someone, it's just, it gives me good sensation to doing this. It's just interesting to see how these sticky things is gonna be a really beautiful one homogeneous ball. But for the moment we need to work. How I know that soon it's gonna be finished, look at it's coming in one piece. Look at the dough is responding to you. You know, it's trying to be one ball. Look at, you slap it, you did all of your things you have to do, and look at how it's coming. It's taking from the corner, like everything is united for one piece. Now I'm saying like, come, 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 we are one team, don't stay there. Here, what I do, I try to clean my hands. That's why it's really important to wash your hands before starting your dough. And again, you're inviting all of pieces for one. This is technique of my grandmama. How I know the dough is ready? When my hands are clean and surface is clean. This is sign for me, okay, I did my job. Okay, look at how it's beautiful. Voila, I didn't use any flour, I didn't use any oil to get out my dough from my hands, and it's beautiful. I need to see that it's doubled in size. Look at, I take the oil, grease my ball, just make it beautiful ball. Okay. Cover your dough. And I was filming, I just want to say how long it took me. 15 minutes, almost 16 minutes, what I started to mix the ingredients and work with the dough. It's for people who doesn't have any stand mixer, and they would like to know exactly what time you're spending for these things. Officially 16 minutes, guys. See you when it's double in size. Double in size, it's time to shape our flowers. I'm gonna take like this, look at, and in 4 pieces first, and just little pieces. Each dough should be 20 grams. What I'm gonna do, I just cut it like this, and after I'm gonna just check it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just do this kind of balls, and each gonna be 20 grams. You make everything even. You shape like this and you wait again to rest it, minimum like 15 minutes. Look at it, looks like this. I will show, look close. Okay, as you see, the dough is on the side. Here we're gonna start to do our final shape. Here I have some butter. I'm gonna sprinkle with flour. Just make sure after it won't stick. Put it aside. For 1 roast, I'm gonna use 3 dough. And here we are. It looks like this. I'm gonna cover it and bake in 1 hour. After more than 1 hour, we are ready to bake. Voila. Egg yolk with milk. Just put a little bit. Because it's Mother's Day, let's make little beautiful. Something different. We need to bake about 30 minutes for 350 degrees of Fahrenheit. Okay. Voila. The final product, it looks like this. And Mother's Day, girls, the sticks for barbecue. I just stick like this and put my flour like this. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Such a wonderful gift for Mother's Day. You know, if you have many kids, somebody like you definitely know one of your sister gonna give the flower, and be original, be different, put your love, you know, put your time, show to your attention to your mom, most important person in this earth. Why we can, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I love it. My final product. Wow, it's amazing, amazing.